I think maybe taking this video is kind of an afterthought. This is my new 3-car garage, and we are now in a different part of Washington State. We moved out of our last house because the taxes got too high in that county we were in, and we had 5 acres, and I turned 70 this year, and I don't feel like managing 5 acres anymore. So we got this new house with a 3-car garage. The first thing I did, you know how dim garages are. See those 3 lights in the middle? Well, that's all they had. So I added all my lights so I could see what's going on. Now, in my last shop, I had the garage and I had that extra room. And in the extra room was my CNC machine and my laser engraver. I have a little bit more space in here, mostly because I've gotten rid of stuff. But this laser engraver, if you looked at any of my videos, you'd remember that it was built into a corner of the room. So 2 sides of it were completely enclosed already. So I took it apart and I moved all the pieces to my new place, and I'm putting it back together. So I thought I'd better take a video. I've had to, in this garage, I've had to add one 20 amp circuit up there for dust collection, which I'll do a video. I'm gonna mount my Grizzly dust collector on the wall and exhaust it outside. I got another 220 added over there for my bandsaw. And I got the table saw kind of in the middle of the shop, and I put another 220 in the ceiling. Now I'm gonna drop the dust collection from the ceiling down to the saw on this side. So pretty much in this shop, unlike my last shop, I won't be tripping over hoses or wires or anything. So good luck with that. I have a dedicated 20 amp circuit I put in for a heavy duty drop cord. And that drop cord, when I need that, will power my planer, and next to it will be my drum sander in this other space on the floor. I will have to build a new bench. I've done that 3 times in the last 3 houses, so you can go back and look at that, I guess. I don't know if I'll film that or not. I've done it 3 times already, but there'll be about 12 drawers in that new desk, new bench rather. And we'll have lighting over that. Plus we're gonna have shelves. This is a 9-foot ceiling, it's great. And so we're gonna put shelves up in the top to store tubs of things like Christmas decorations and stuff. So I just thought it's been a long time since I did a video, so I might as well get back in the swing of things and tell you all what's going on and tell you what's coming. So stay tuned, there's gonna be more this time. Bye for now.